Hi guys, for this episode ay magmumukbang tayo ng sinigang na baboy
Singdong.
and tatry ko na sausawan yung bagoong sa isda. Sige po, samahan niyo po akong kumain.
First, this is yours and this one.
Are you gonna put meat?
No, you put your own meat.
Yeah.
Ang laman na natin sa sinigang is buntot ng baboy. Pigtail. Ha?
Ito pa.
There's no big head, right?
Hmm?
There's no big head, right?
No.
Good.
Eat na.
Gusto ko tong square na taba. Kaya ito.
It's just an egg.
That's fine.
Talk to it now.
What?
An egg over here.
Kangkong? What is it?
That was an egg.
No, it's pigtail.
Bukan natin isaw-saw itong taba sa bagong. Makita nyo. First bite. First bite. Yan lang din nyo ako makikita. Bagoong na may kalamansi at sili. Kaiba tong angle natin. Mm. Mm. Sarap pala.
Carnotaurus. Carnotaurus. One of my favorite dinosaurs.
I think it's best if Dad has a different intro for each of his channels.
Hanggang dito na lang po yung video natin. Hindi ko na papakita sa inyo yung katapusan. Masyadong masarap. Please subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell. Yun lamang po. Bye-bye!